Hello and welcome back in the sheet metal workshop, and in this video I like to show how to make a big end cap that comes on a big reducer, a big cone. And yeah, that's it, what it's about. It's only fabrication, so I already have everything cut out by templates that were already there, so I just copy over the templates, and this is just only how to fabricate it. Now I have here already one finished, how it's going to look like. So this is the end cap. Now imagine here there's the big cone, and under that big cone, this end cap is going to be fit on site. Okay, now it's made out of 4 parts, and each part is also connected with 2 metals. Now, because I have already prepared everything, and I have also got here an isometric, an explanation where the dimensions are mentioned, outside diameters, and we have here the 20 millimeter for the stretch here. So that's the 20 millimeter stretch. And we have here also mentioned this little angle, 142 degrees. You can also draw it by yourself as a side view and find out how much degree it is, but here it's mentioned, so 142 degree. So I have here my angle ruler, and I made myself a little template, 142 degree. I will explain it later. I will come back with it. So, well, that is what it's about. It's about fabrication. I'm going to do this, of course, on Swartmans machines. There are links in the video description what machines I use. So I have here now also this new rounding machine, you know, it's quick change. I had before a wheel I have to spin. It's also good, and winning spinning wheel is also good. It's more precisely, but this is also much quicker. Good. Well, we're going to have a start. So I'm going to start first with the outside body that will get a stretch. So this is here the metal, and I'm going to round it first a little bit to get it a little bit in form. So okay, this is definitely too much. Okay, well, this is about that rounding. Okay, see, that should be it. Okay, so I'm gonna repeat this all 4 times. Okay, so next part, what we're going to do is we go to give it a stretch of 20 mil. Okay, so now we're here on the stretch. So first grab it real good, a little bit more tight. Now I'm gonna squeeze it down. Okay, and now the template comes, so to check. See here, now this must be everywhere the whole time equal, then you know you're good. See, so this is the template. If you have to stretch or something with an angle, that's why it's showed. So that's it, only a little bit maybe. Okay, that's it. So this is what I'm going to repeat 4 times. So I've done them now, all 4, and we're going to continue now with the flat switch, so we don't change wheels continually. We kind of flat switch now the next part. I'm gonna put this here down, and that's here. This part, a quarter, it also gets an inside flat switch, but it's also 20 millimeter. And in a minute, I'm gonna give it a little bit more. So I have here now almost 22 millimeter. Good. And now it works the same way. So grab it. See? Slowly. And now I'm pushing a little bit here, less pressure. I'm pushing it down. And again, back. And every time it goes, now I'm pushing here from the inside to out, so to avoid scratches. So we're going to continue going left and right until we get here a straight line. So now it goes a little bit more in a bow like this, and now the more stretch I push here on it, it comes in this way. So that's the reason I'm going to go left, right. Okay, that's it. See? So if I put it here, it's also now easier for later on. If I want to get the edge of 5 mil, it's easier. It also gives stabilization. So again, I'm going to repeat this same thing 4 times. And again, the last one. Okay, that's it, all 4 are done. So what we're going to do next is we're going to put in now the square wheels. So these are those square wheels, and these we are going to put in now. Okay, square wheels are set up, so they're exactly in the middle, and because we have here also exactly 20 millimeter until this edge, so we're also going to have here from the plate until the outside edge from the underwheel also 20 millimeter. And now, so my flat is my direction line, I could say. So I have to keep it in form when I'm going. This is my up where I've orientate. So we go like this a couple of times. Okay. Good. Now after we've done that, I go 1, 2, 3 rounds back. So you see here, to close this, it's going to be hard. So I'm going to push it a little bit down. See? Now it looks like this. So that is now what I'm going to do. I'm going to repeat this part also 4 times, the same what I did with this piece. Okay, that was the last one. Okay, these 4 are now almost finished, and the next part, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give here now the 5mm bead edge, and that's next step is the beading wheels here, these. So this is now the setup. Okay, set up. Now we're going to pull it a little bit up. Okay. So that's it. So this is what I'm going to repeat now another 3 times. Okay, so now last step is closing up. So now for closing it, I'm gonna put this here and we're going to close it. Therefore I'm going to change only the upper wheel, and I'm gonna put there from the upper swage wheel size V1, number 1. And why? Because it can happen because it's a cone and it goes a little bit on a different angle. It can happen, it goes to slip, and this one is more rounder and grab it more, and by closing it, you see, I'm gonna, so that you hear this edge, the second edge here on the plate, it must be a little bit visible. Okay, now this one comes until the outside of the under wheel, so this is same. Okay, well, let's have a shot. I'm going to try to grab this here. See? So now it holds. And now I can push it here somewhere in. Okay, so now it's squeezed. See, that's it. And now we're just going to continue it in the other direction. Okay, that's it. So here's a little bit more here, just a little bit with the hammer. Okay, well, I'm going to repeat this also 4 times. Okay, now after now it's closed up, what I'm going to do, I'm gonna take a grinder, because I have on each side here 20 millimeter overlap, so I'm gonna drill here in this edge a hole, and I'm going to do this. Now, there are of course different ways and possibilities to do your overlap. So you can also do one side without overlap and one side with overlap. It's all how you want it. I normally always make with end caps both sides overlap, so you get always it's always easier to put it together. Okay, well, that's it. So I'm going to cut also this side also out, and I'm going to do the same and repeat the same cutouts what I did with this part. I'm going to repeat now with every part, so I have 4 same parts. Okay, so all parts are now cut out and ready to put it together. So and that's the way, see, I will do it. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna check the inside diameter, 800, 893. So, see, it's maybe like here. 893. 94. Okay, 1 mil. See? Should be 893, so 195. But that's it. That's the stretch, so it will fit. Okay. Okay, guys, that's it. So that is it. Fabrication, how to make an end cap. So there are maybe, or I know there are also other possibilities, but this is one possibility, is made with my new rounding machine of Schwartmans, and of course with the swage machine from Schwartmans. There will be a link in the video description if you're interested in buying one of those machines. I was happy to do this video, and I hope somebody helped it. It's the way I did it. Okay, well, job done. Thank you for watching, and if there are any questions, you can also ask me in the Insulation Sheet Metal Workshop on Facebook, or you go directly to my Master on Insulation Masterclass Facebook group. Happy to see you. Thank you for watching, and happy to see you next time. Bye.